Hi everybody, this is Daniel Thompson from Kinda Learning. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm going to teach you how to identify the notes on the keyboard. I've got little ways of remembering these things. This is the way I teach most of my students. So here we go. On the piano we have black notes and white notes. Now I'm just going to teach you how to find the white notes. The black notes are in patterns. Groups of threes and groups of twos. Groups of threes, groups of twos, groups of threes. Now, I like to call my groups of threes houses and my groups of twos kennels. Now, up here I've drawn for us a house and a kennel. Now, in our kennel, we have dogs. Dogs live in kennels. Dog lives in a kennel. D. Hiding behind the dog is a cat. Cats hide behind dogs because cats are scared of dogs. The dog is eating the food that's in front of him. Eating. You with me? Okay. Now, in our house is Granny and Auntie. 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 G-A, 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 G-A. Behind the house is Granny's back garden where she grows her flowers. Granny has flowers in her back garden. Flowers, flowers, flowers. And in the front garden, we have big bushes which hide the front windows so people can't look inside our windows. There's bushes in front of the front windows so people can't see them. Bushes, bushes, bushes. You with me? I hope you understand that because I really think you do as well. Yeah, you look smart. Yeah, that's what I'm going to show you. Take care. I'll see you in a bit.